Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I got a new kitchen toy. Yay! I want to say a big thank you to one of my subscribers who made this possible. You know who you are, and you are such a blessing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, today I'm going to show you this Power Smokeless Grill, and I'm going to show you how it works. I've got it taken apart so we can easily put it together. There's this drip tray that they want you to put water in. I'm sure that helps with producing steam. At least that's my guess. So we're gonna put the water in there. Now I'm gonna place in the metal drip tray. And it has the holes for the steam and moisture to come through and for the juices to go through. Now I will put the heating element in place. Plug it in. And put the grill tray on. And this beautiful lid. I'm gonna put that at 450 degrees. We're gonna be cooking, let's put it at 400. We're going to let this start warming up and get our chicken breast ready. These are thin chicken breasts. So I'm going to put olive oil on them. Let's brush that olive oil around on these chicken breasts. Add a little more olive oil. Spread that around. Now for the seasoning. I'm gonna put some pink Himalayan salt on them. And paprika with lemon and lime. As soon as the grill is heated up, we will place these on and then I'll season the other side. The temperature light was blinking until it got up to 400 degrees. It stopped blinking, so I'm assuming this is ready to go, so let's give it a try. You can hear that sizzle. We have the lid on and we're letting it do its thing. It's nice and quiet. You can just hear that light sizzle. I'm gonna set a timer for 4 minutes because this is very thin chicken breast. Then we'll flip them to the other side. My timer went off, so it's time to flip the chicken. It's looking so good. I set the timer for another 4 minutes, then we'll come back and taste test this chicken. The timer's gone off, so I'm going to check and see if our chicken breasts are done. It looks done. Let's do a taste test. It is tender and juicy, and I love the seasoning that I used on it. You can use whatever seasoning is your favorite. I've turned my smokeless grill off, and it's going to cool down for about 30 minutes, and then it's an easy cleanup. I love this grill. I'm gonna give it a double thumbs up. And boy, is this chicken ever good. You can be watching for more videos using this Power Smokeless Grill coming soon. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.